Hey everybody, Rebecca here at Begins with Family. I'm with someone here that's going to help you a lot. We all have those issues with our cars when we have a ding, that sound of a crack in your windshield. Guy here that's awesome to work with, helped my car out a lot. Introduce yourself there, Ariel.
My name's Ariel. I own AllPro windshield repair, and that's what I do, fix cracks, long cracks up to 12 inches, passenger side, and been doing it for 21 years.
And he comes to you. How easy is that? Can't wait to connect him to EOS. Hey, turn around real quick and let everybody see your shirt. It is so cute. He comes to you, windshield repair. Look him up on Begins with Family. Thanks, guys.